Hey, today we're going to review polygon angle measures, alright? Remember, the internal angles in a triangle always equal 180 degrees. The external angles, and no matter what type of regular polygon you have, or no matter what type of polygon you have, equals 360 degrees. Right? The sum of the exterior is always 360. Even in these two differently shaped polygons, the exterior angles still add up to 360 degrees. The interior angle and exterior angle, when those are added together, those equal 180 degrees. All right, so the inside and outside angle added together in a regular polygon equals 180. This slide is from a previous video. It shows putting a point, or choosing one vertex, and drawing your diagonals to see how many triangles there are inside that shape. Right, notice the number of triangles are always 2 less than the number of sides. 4 sides, 2 triangles. 5 sides, 3 triangles. 6 sides, 4 triangles. 7 sides, 5 triangles. And then you take however many triangles, you multiply it by 180, and you get 360 degrees. Or you get how many degrees there are in that shape. So 2 triangles gives me 360 degrees. 5 sides, 3 triangles gives me 540 degrees. 6 sides, 4 triangles gives me 720 degrees. 7 sides, 5 triangles gives me 900 degrees. And I can use that with any polygon. Alright, in a regular polygon with n sides, a bunch of formulas. First, the sum, if you add them together, all the external angles, it will equal 360 degrees. If you add one external with its interior angle, you would get 180 degrees. To find the sum of the interior angles, so all of them added together again, that's what sum is, take the number of sides minus 2 and multiply it by 180. That's drawing those triangles in that we just saw on the last slide. If you want to find one internal angle, or interior angle, for a regular polygon, you use this same formula, n minus 2 times 180, but divide it by how many angles or how many sides there are. And then 2 more. If you want to find each exterior angle, you know that they are added together all equal 360, so you'd go 360 divided by how many there are. But if you want to know how many sides there are, then that's 360 degrees divided by one exterior angle. Why don't you pause the video right here, write these all down, because you are going to need these formulas for the video and for class tomorrow. Alright, let's try a couple. What is the measure of angle A if this is a regular pentagon? What is the measure of angle B? And what is the sum of all interior angles? Alright, 3 more. If a regular polygon has 7 sides, so it's a heptagon, what is the measure of each external angle to the nearest tenth of a degree? What is the measure of each internal angle in the same heptagon, also to the nearest tenth? If the measure of an external angle of a regular polygon is 24 degrees, how many sides does it have? So one external angle is 24 degrees. Use that to solve how many sides. Alright, let's wrap it up. What did you learn, or what did this remind you of? And what questions do you still have?